Sky is fourth tab. We can use the sky as white background by enabling this function. What we see is white sky. In Horizon we have only two main options: Enscape Sky and Skybox. Clear Desert Forest and a few more options. It's just a background, which follows Enscape Sun. Skybox is referred to HDRI. When we use the Skybox, its parameter is changed. Click on this folder to load HDRI file. As we can see in this files that it supports two types of files: HDR and image file, PNG or JPEG. Dry has two types of files: HDR and XR. The file it recognizes is the HDR file. So when we download Dry, we need to select HDR to use. And we see the sky is still white. We disable white background, we will see the sky image. In Dry we have the option Brightness. Its intensity only affects the sky. The sun, it follows from the Atmosphere tab. We enable brightest point as sun direction. We do this because we want Enscape Sun. Follow with Dry Sun. When we rotate Dry or Skybox, Enscape Sun also rotates. We can go back to Enscape Sun. So in this we have our choice clear. We only have the sky. Desert we have environment background. Forest. Mountains. This is just the background image. All of the following parameter only affect the sky above. For the background, we can control it with rotation. And Skybox is stored in Enscape setting. We can use it whenever we want. Mountains. So it affects the rotation position of the background. Cloud density 50%. 100% we will see more clouds and it will block the sun. Meaning it reflects with real world. When there is no cloud, the sky is clear. The sun has a strong effect. When there is cloud, it will block parts of the sun. So the sun has less effect. Variety. Is it generate? Could be a change of cloud in the scene. We close all two. We have two other options: cirrus amount with contrails. Contrails is an effect that generates such a highlight. Cirrus amount is part of the sky. It looks like a cloud, but it is thinner. No effect. We can see sun very visible. Longitude and latitude. This option is related to location. We increase the density of the cloud back. And we can modify the longitude and the latitude.